How to sidestep effectively. This is something I struggled a lot with when I first started playing Tekken. I would watch professional matches and players would sidestep what seemed to be like everything. I thought it was so cool, but I was unable to do it in game. So if you are in this situation right now, I hope this can be helpful to you. The realization of how to use sidestepping came to me one day while I was watching a tournament match. I couldn't really find the footage, but it was a Dragunov vs Devil Jin. The Devil Jin player was dashing in Dragunov's face, but Dragunov was just stepping left and blocking, and then it all made sense. Right, when you think about Devil Jin, what are the top 5 moves that come to your mind? To me they are up forward 4, electric, hell sweep, forward 2, and laser scraper. Out of these 5, 4 can be sidestepped to the left. So you're going to sidestep because you are predicting a specific move or a group of moves that your adversary is going to use. Let's say we have a very common situation. You block a down forward 1. The enemy is -1 or -2. That's not a lot of frame advantage, so if he's gonna press a button, he's going to press something that is really fast, maybe a jab or another down forward 1. You could just block it, it's safe, you're not going to take any damage if you block. But if you wanna make the read that he's going to press a jab or a down forward 1, you can sidestep it. But be mindful, you are making a read. The enemy can easily do a move that tracks to that side, or change his timing, or even do a homie move. Some characters have some pretty abusable running moves or forward moves, like Dragunov, Claudio, Alisa, Kazumi, Lucky Chloe, this guy, and many others. So, in a spaced out position, it might be a good idea to sidestep together with your movement to evade these kinds of moves. There are some pesky strings in this game that you have to sidestep in order to deal with them properly. Here are some, but absolutely not all of them. Tekken is a really hard and complex game. Everything takes a long time to learn. You're most likely not gonna win the next Evo, but keep at it. It may not make sense now, but in Tekken, things are hard until they stop being hard. And remember, the fact that you can do something doesn't always mean that you should. Even though sidestepping can be extremely rewarding, only by playing a lot, rewatching your own gameplay, and labbing both your own and your adversary's character, you can start to make conscious and well-informed decisions on when to sidestep. Now it's your turn to hit the lab and check out the possibilities. And maybe leave a like and subscribe for more Soul Calibur and Tekken content.